So today I'm going to show you guys how to install one of Boat Outfitters marine tool holders. Personally, I like keeping all of my tools out of the elements, so I'm going to mount it right here inside of my door. So that way when I close this door, everything is stored away inside the console. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to drill 4 holes. So now that we have all 4 holes drilled, what we're going to go ahead and do is install all the screws. Now that we got the holder installed, check this out. We can fit 2 fillet knives, drop in some pliers, a pair of scissors, de-hooker. Down at the bottom, we have 3 hook keepers to store hooks, lures, whatever heart desires.